Hi everyone guys, today we are going to build an awesome project that is called tabs. Very interesting project, and right now I'm gonna show it. Here is our project. This is tabs project. It looks like this. When we click on the next on the text, the another tab appears here, and the next the same thing, the same stuff with this text. For example, I click on Volvo and Volvo car appears, BMW and Mercedes, something like that. So today we are going to build this kind of project, and let's get started. So I'm gonna open my Visual Studio Code and do like this. Tabs. Let's link our CSS like this, and we will link our script.js javascript file. So that's it guys, and right now we will build our HTML documentation. And first of all, for our project, we will need to preview with the text of preview like this one, and we will need container like this one. Inside of container we will have tab container like this, and inside of tab container we will have the left side and the right side like this. Like here is left side and here is right side. So first of all we will need to build our left side, and I'll write like this, left, and then we will need content. I'll write like tab content like this way. In this way, here it is. Inside of tab content we will have an image. We will have an image, and I'll copy and paste the image here. Here it is. Here is the image, and this image is called Mercedes like this one. And inside of tab content we also have tab description that describes the image. We will have tab content like this description, and we will have some lorem text, mp lorem 30 like this one. Maybe 20 is okay. Yeah, lorem 20 is okay here, and we are done with this. We may copy it. We may copy our tab content. I will copy it 2 times. You may copy it, you may add as many tabs as you want, it's up to you. So here is, I will put the image of another car here, and here after BMW I will put the image of Volvo. Here it is. Let's see what we have. Here it is. Here is the image that we have got here. Here it is, and let's give some styles to our images. And by the way, we have got our left side, but right now we will need to add our right side. Right side is located inside of tab container. Inside of tab container, here it is. I will carry on right here. And I'll write it like this. Right side. What do we have here? Here we will have tab header. Tab header. Here it is. Inside of we will have choose your car, like this one, and then we will have items related to tab. So we will call tab header items. Tab header items, like this one. Here it is, and here it is, and inside of tab header items we will have each item, each separate item. I will open the div tab head and I will call it tab header item. Let me do it in this way, like this one, and I'll delete this s. Here it is. So I'll just copy and paste. Here is the first, second, and the third one. Here it is, and here is the Volvo. Let us look what we have here. Here it is. We have our right side. Right now, in order to put it in the left and right, we need to give some styles. First of all, I'll give some padding. I'll give some universal classes of margin 0 and padding also 0, and I'll give box sizing of border boxes usually, and I'll give some general styles to container, like this one, of padding of 0% and 0 and 5%. I'll give some background of 555. It will be gray, and I'll give some height of 100 viewport height. Here is the container. Right now we will style our container is styled, and we need to target our tab container here. In order to do it, we will do it in this way. I'll give it display flex wrap. This is for the responsiveness. Justify content center. Here it is. Let's look. Here it is. We have something like this. It's quite ugly, but we will fix it. We will fix it right now. I'll pause it right now. So guys, where did we end up? I'm back. We ended up on the tab container. Here it is, and right now tab container, we are done with it, and right now we will style the left side. When it comes to the left side, we will do like this. So let us see what we have here. In the left side, I would like to add margin top. %, and width of 100%. Width is my 100%. Really, it is the child of this tab container. And then I will add some padding of 2%, border radius of 6 pixels, display with the flex wrap, and align items center, and also justify content to center as well. So let's carry on. And right now I would like to style the image of the tab in the left side. Image of width 100%, maximum height of 50%, and I'll say the object fit contain, so that it could contain all the, so that it could contain the width, the maximum width of 50% related to this parent. So the image is the child of the left, and here it is. It contains like this. So guys, and max width is also related. We are adding here max width property, well, max width, and this max width, what it does, it is the width of the image is maximum related to its parent, which is called the div element of left. So let's carry on. And right now I would like to style tab content, this guy, each of the tab content. Tab content, here it is. I'll add some padding of 5%, of background color of like this, border radius of 3 pixels, then min height of 300 pixels, display property of flex, flex direction column, and justify content, space between, like this one. Let's see what we have. Here is what we have for now, and we will carry on right now. And I would like to style the description of tab content. Tab content description, here it is. Let's target this guy, and we will do like this. I'll add the height of 30%, and then padding of 2%. I'll align the text in the center. I'll add display flex, align items to center, and justify content to center as well. And I'll add some font size of 1.2 EM. We know that EM, it's related to the parent. It gets the size of its parent element. So line height of 1.5. Let us see what we have. Here is the result of what we have here. Okay guys, so let's carry on. We have got tab content description, and right now I would like to style our right side. Right side, margin top of 5% as well, like margin like in the left. Margin right of 5%, and then width of 25%. Min height of 200 pixels. Display flex, flex direction column, align items to center. Let us see. Here it is. It's not ready yet, but it will be. Tab header. We will target our tab header. This guy. We need the H3 element of voice font size of 30 pixels, margin top of 30 pixels, and color of white, FFF, like this. And then we will need to target our tab header items. Tab header items, here it is. We will target these guys. Width of 100% according to its parent element. Display property of flex, align items of center, justify content of center, flex wrap, this is for responsive wrap, and flex direction, this also. Flex direction of column, like this one. So in tab header items we give flex direction of column, and right now we will target our tab header item. Each item, we have got 3 items there, and I'll add margin of 1%, color of white, and then padding of 10%, letter spacing, (0.1 em), font size 1.2 em. Let's make cursor to pointer, and border radius of 5 pixels, and then transition. We'll add transition, background of 0.2 seconds, is in and out. We'll also add display of flex. We will align items in the center, and we will justify content in the center. Let's look what we have. Here it is. Here is description, and we will carry on. Whenever it's active, whenever tab header item, when it is active, we want to transform it and translate in y-axis in 2 pixels. It will be like this. You see how it moves? It moves in y-axis into pixels. So we have everything ready right now. It will be fixed when we add JavaScript styles, guys. After adding JavaScript, all this stuff will be fixed. So let's carry on. Let's move to JavaScript. Let us move to JavaScript. In the JavaScript, I want to target the tab header item, whenever I click on the items, I want the image to be changed. For this one, I need the tab content. I'll target the two things. Const tabs is equal to document.query selector all the tabs, and we will target this guy, tab header item. We will target these guys like this one, and tab contents this is equal to document.query selector all, because there are many tab contents, I mean, to be more precise, 3 tab contents, like this one. So guys, and right now we will open this function in order to show the tab content. Const show tab content. We will open an anonymous function. Let's target tab contents. We will target forEach each of the tab contents. We will take each of the individual tab content, each tab content individually, and we will target its index as well. And I will target tab content dot style dot display So we will need to argument as of an index. Display is equal to if index of tab contents is equal to the index of the function, then I want to display block. In other case, I want to display none. Like this one. Here it is. Guys, I'll clean it, display wrap, flex wrap For now I'll remove flex wrap. Right now I will comment it. So let's carry on. Right now, as you see, it's fixed. So guys, we have this kind of stuff, and let's carry on our project. So right now I'd like to stop to target our tabs. We targeted our tab contents and we have done with this stuff, and right now we will need to target each tab header item. For this one I will write tabs. We will target each of them, each of the tab and its index as well, like this. Tab.add, we will need to add event listener whenever click event happens there. We do what? We want show tab content. We want to show tab content, and it's what? It will be related to its index, like this one. So like this, as you see guys, it's almost ready. So whenever we targeted each of the tab header item, we targeted each of these guys. So where is the tab header item? Tab header item, here it is. We took each of these guys. Here is the tab content. We took each of these guys and we associated it with what? We associated with whenever we click, we call it this function inside of this click event inside of the tabs. For example, whenever we click on this tab, whenever we click on these tabs or each of the tab, we are calling here a click event, and what happens? This function works in the click events, and whatever no matter what you click, its index, for example, the clicked one, the clicked tab image will appear. Let's console log the index. Here it is. Here is the index. When you click, as you see, 1 2 0, this is the index of the tab. So whenever we click, we call the index of each function, as you see guys. So right now I would like to add some extra styles. What kind of styles? Styles like I will target each of the tabs, each of the tags, and I will call it like text t.class list dot remove. No, I want to tab header item active, like this one. T.style dot text decoration, text decoration of none, and t.style dot color is equal to null or none. like this one. And then I want to do what? I want to style tab individual tab dot class list. Whenever we want to add what? We want to add this guy active. Whenever we click, tab header item active is added. Let us see what we have here, like this one. So we will move here, we will move here, and we will move here. Let us see here, tab header item. So right, tab header, and here is the tab header item. You see, whenever we click on this one, you see active is here appears, as you see. So you see, right now I'll show you. You see active in another one, active appears. Whenever we click on Volvo, here is the active class appears here on Volvo. You see? So, and another thing that I want is I want the tab that style that text decoration is equal to underline, like this one. And I want the tab that style that color, I want to be maybe yellow. Yeah, so here it is. You see, guys, here is our project, and what I want here is I want default. I want to be, whenever I reload, there is no default. I want this one to be active by default always. For this one, what do I do? For this one, I add tabs with the index of what? With the index of 0. I will add class list that adds. I'll add tab header item active, like this one. Here it is. And then what do I want else? Tabs with the index of 0. I want it to give style of text decoration to be underline. Here it is. You see? So it's awesome and cool. I hope you like it. Smash that like button if you like it. So here it is, guys. Our project is ready.